everyone, welcome back to Noble Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's video for class 10th and 11th from the classification of elements and periodicity in properties. So let's start. Today's topic is that general traits in physical properties. So first of all we will discuss that the valency and valence electron and atomic radii. Here first is valency. Now first of all the question is arise that what is valency. Now the valency is that valency is defined as the number of the electrons to acquire noble electronic configuration. For example के लिए in first group in periodic table there are 18 group. Now group first and group second we will discuss only S and P block element, and in P block element group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 group. Now here in first group of the elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. And in group second, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. In group 13, boron, aluminium, gallium, iridium and thallium. And in 14 group elements, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. And in 15 group, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. And in 16 oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. In 17 group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene. Now here 18 group, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Now here first of all we will discuss about the valency in the group and in the periods. Now periods, when we move from left to right, in the horizontal lines in the periodic tables are the periods and the vertical lines are known as group. We have already discussed this. Now here in this we will discuss about the valency. Here the atomic number of the hydrogen is 1, lithium is 3 and sodium is 11. Here is 19. So here now first of all we have right electronic configuration. Here is the 2 in first shell and here is the 1 electron in the outermost shell. In the case of lithium, here is 1 electron in the outermost shell. First shell occupy 2 electrons, and in sodium 2, 8 and 1. In 2, 8, 8 and 1. So we see that here in their outermost shell only 1 electron is occupied, and so it can lose only 1 electron to acquire noble electronic configuration. To become stable or noble electronic configurations, the number of electron loss or gain. Group first lost only 1 electron to acquire noble electronic configuration, so its valency is 1. And here in group, अगर हम group की बात करें तो group में जो valency होती है क्या होती है, remains same. But in the case of periods, here group first have valency 1 and group second, here the atomic number is 4, magnesium is 12 and calcium is 20. So we can write here that electronic configuration that 2 and 2. Now here in their outermost shell there are 2 electrons, so it can lose 2 electron to acquire noble electronic configuration, so its valency is 2. And here is also 2, 8, 2 it can also lost 2 electron to acquire noble electronic configuration. So group second have valency 2. Now beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, all elements show valency 2. And group 13 elements, in their outermost shell 3 electrons are remain same. So these elements have valency 3. And group 14 elements have 4 electron in their outermost shell, so its valency is 4. But in case of 15 group, here group 15, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Now the atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and phosphorus is 15. When we write electronic configuration, then we can 2 and 5, and here is 2, 8 and 5. Now in their outermost shell there are 5 electron in their outermost shell, so we can say that it cannot lose the electron. It have tendency to accept the electron, to gain the electron, so it require 3 electrons to complete their outermost shell or noble electronic configuration to acquire. So then it gain 3 electron, so its valency is 3. Okay, and in case of 16 group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium, the atomic number of oxygen is 8 and here is 16. Now the electronic configuration, when we write, that is 2 and 6. Now here 2, 8 and 6. In their outermost shell there are 6 electrons, so it have tendency to attract the 2 electrons to acquire noble electronic configuration, so its valency is 2. Its valency is 2, and valency remains same in the group, but in periods first increase and then decrease. We will see that. And in group 17, that is the fluorine, chlorine, etc. and the atomic number of fluorine, that is 9 and here is 17. Now the electronic configuration is 2 and 7, here is 2, 8 and 7. Now in their outermost shell there are 7 electrons, so it have tendency to acquire 1 electron to acquire noble electronic configurations, so its valency is 1. And group 18 elements, helium, neon, argon, here is 2, 10 and 18, 2, 2 and 8, 2, 8, 8. Now except helium, all the elements of the noble gases each have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. They are most stable, they do not react easily, and they cannot lose and they cannot gain electrons, so its valency is 0. Now this is in group 18 all elements have valency 0. In group first all elements have valency 1. In group second all elements of group second have valency 2. Group 13 all elements of group 13 have valency 3. Group 14 all elements have valency 4 in group 14, and in 15 group all elements have valency 3. Group 16 all elements have valency 2, and in group 17 all elements have valency 1. So we can say that in the group the valency is same, but in period, अगर हम period की बात करें तो then here is group first, group second, here is group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 group. Now the valency is group first 1, group second 2, group 13 3, group 14 4, group 15 3, group 16 2, 1 and 0. Now we can say here valency in the period first increase 1, 2, 3 and 4. First increase and then decrease. Now we can write here in group valency remains same in group but in period valency first increase and then decrease. Now next is valence electron. Valence electrons are those which are present in outermost shell of an atom. Here it is same in the case in group first. In group valence electron remains same in group and in period valence electron when we move top to bottom valence electron increase when we move from left to right. Left to right. Now here is group, here is valence electron. Now group first valence electron is 1 and in group second valence electron is 2. In group third in group 13 valence electron is 3. In 14 group valence electron is 4 and in 15 group valence electron is 5. In 16 group valence electron is 6, and in 17 group valence electron is 7, and in 18 group valence electron is 8. Now here in group the valence electron remains same, but when we move from left to right, then the valence electron is increased. Here first group, here 1 electron, in second group 2 electron, in 13 group 3 electron, and so on. Here is carbon, aluminium, and magnesium. Here is the carbon, atomic number is 6. Now the aluminium is 13 and the magnesium is 12. Now here 6, electronic configuration 2 and 4. Here is 2, 8 and 3, and here is 2, 8 and 2. Now it is the 14 groups of element. It have 4 electrons. Here 4 is the valence electron for carbon atoms, because 4 electrons are present in their outermost shell. Now here in outermost shell 3 electrons are present, so the valence electron in the case of aluminium is 3, and the magnesium, in the case of magnesium number of valence electron is 2, so as electron. Now we will discuss about the atomic radii. Atomic radii is defined as the distance from the nucleus to that outermost shell where electrons are present. For example के लिए in the case of lithium, here atomic number is 3, so electronic configuration is 2 and 1, and structure is that here this is the nucleus, and here this is the first cell in which 2 electrons are occupied, and here in outermost shell, that is the 1 electron is present. Now this is the nucleus. The distance from the nucleus to that outermost shell where the electrons are present is known as atomic radius. Now from here to here the distance is known as the atomic radii. And what is the effect of atomic radii in group and period? So we will discuss that. When we discuss about in group, the atomic radii increase, because in case of lithium, here is sodium, the atomic number is 11. Now the configuration 2, 8 and 1. Here is, this is the nucleus, and here this is the first shell in which 2 electrons are present, and this is the second shell in which 8 electrons, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and here is 1 electron is present. Now here the atomic radii is the distance from the nucleus and here. In the case of lithium, there are only 2 shells are present, but in case of sodium there are 3 shells are present, 1, 2 and 3. Number of shells are increased, so the size of the atomic radii is also increased, and the size of the atom is increased. When we move from top to bottoms, the number of shells increase. Due to this, the atomic radii increase in a group. And we can write here in group atomic radii increase when we move from top to bottom. Due to size of atom increase because number of shells increase in a group from top to bottom. But in case of periods, the atomic radii is decreased, and why we can see here. In period, when we move from left to right, means here lithium to 1 and nitrogen 6 and 7. Okay. Now here first of all we see that here electronic configuration is 2 and 1. Here is the electronic configuration 2 and 2, and here the electronic configuration is 2 and 3, and here the electronic configuration 2 and 4, and here the electronic configuration 2 and 5. Now we can say here there is number of shells here is also 2, here is also 2, here is also 2, and in all cases the number of shells are 2. Means this is the nucleus, and here this is the first shell, and here is the second shell. Here 2, and in outermost shell 1. Here in case this is the nucleus, and it is the first shell, and it is the second shell. Here in first shell there is electron 2, and in case there is electron outermost shell 2 electrons. And in case of boron, here is this is nucleus, and here the first shell, and here is the outermost shell 1, 2 and 3. And in case of carbon, here is also 4 electron in their outermost shell. And in case of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we can say here that the electrons are added in same subcell. Due to this, the nuclear charge is increased and the size of the atom is decreased, because here the distance from here, when the electrons are added in same subcells, then the size of the atoms will be contract, and here the size will be contract and the atomic radius will be decreased due to the nuclear charge is increased. So we can say here that in periods the atomic radii decrease due to the nuclear charge increase, because the number of electrons are added in the same subcells. So we can write here atomic radii decrease when we move from left to right. Because number of electrons add in same cell ड्यू टू दिस nuclear charge increase and size of the atom decrease. And size of the atom decrease, so the atomic radius also decrease. Now I hope आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई है तो वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.